This is the last puppy left at Big Mac Bully Camp. We've been calling him Tyson Furry. BMBK's Tyson Furry. He is the last available Blue Fawn Merle male puppy from the TK's Lexus of Big Mac Bully Camp and TK's King Leonidas 2.0 of Big Mac Bully Camp, mother and father. I will show you pictures of the mother now. This is the mother, Lexus. As you can see, she's built very well. Those are her Merle spots. This is when they mated. And this is a picture of the father, King Leonidas. And this is him swinging as well. We're doing a Christmas special at Big Mac Bully Camp. $2,300 for the last available Blue Fawn Merle male boy.